This video will explain how to set up UPI AutoPay. Now we will see what UPI AutoPay does. UPI AutoPay is a standing instruction you give once. After that, the payment happens automatically on the fixed date. You do not need to pay every month manually. It is used for OTT subscriptions, electricity bill, loan EMI, insurance, and mutual fund SIP. Before starting, you need to make sure you have a UPI app, a bank account linked to the UPI, and your UPI PIN. Now we will see step by step UPI AutoPay setup. The screens may look slightly different in each app, but the process is the same. Step 1. Choose a service that supports UPI AutoPay. For example, while paying for subscription or bill, you will see Pay via UPI AutoPay or Setup AutoPay. Tap this option. Step 2. Select your UPI app. You can select Google Pay or Phone Pay or Paytm or BHIM. Your app will open automatically. Step 3. Check the mandate details. This screen is very important. You will see merchant name, amount, payment frequency like monthly, yearly, etc. Start date, end date or validity, and maximum limit. This is called a UPI mandate. Always read this carefully. Step 4. Select your bank account. Choose the bank from which money will be deducted automatically. Step 5. Approve the mandate using your UPI PIN. You enter your UPI PIN only once. After this, your AutoPay becomes active. What happens after setup? On the due date, money is debited automatically. You get a notification. You do not need to open the app. Now we will see automatic debit rules. First one, no approval needed for small payments. If the amount is up to 15,000 rupees, then it is debited automatically. No need to enter UPI PIN every month. Second point, higher limit for special categories. For insurance, mutual funds, and credit card bills, AutoPay works up to 100,000 rupees per payment without extra approval. Third point, if the amount is above the limit. If the bill is higher than the allowed limit, you must approve the payment manually with UPI PIN. Now we will see timing rule for AutoPay execution. Auto debit usually happens during non-peak hours, midnight to morning. This is done to reduce the server load, make UPI faster and more stable. Next one, control and tracking feature. Now you can see all your active AutoPay mandates. You can modify or cancel anytime. This gives you full control over subscriptions. Now we will see how to check your active AutoPay. Open your UPI app and go to Mandates or AutoPay or Subscriptions. You can see next payment date, amount, merchant and status. How to cancel UPI AutoPay? You can stop it anytime by opening UPI app, go to Mandates or AutoPay, select the active mandate and tap on Cancel. Very simple real life example. Think of UPI AutoPay like telling your bank, pay my electricity bill every month automatically. You give permission once. After that, the bank pays on time for you. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.